India's population is growing in large numbers, but we have very limited land resources. Most of the areas available for agriculture is dry land. The productive land is being converted into cities. Thus, even though India is number one in food production, it is still not sufficient to feed the growing numbers. To help reduce this problem, India needs to accept the use of biotechnology in agriculture more. Even though a lot of these genetically modified plants and crops like golden rice have been introduced in India and other parts of the world, not all farmers are able to get access to them, since they aren't easily available and are high priced. Even transgenic tomatoes have been made available in many of the countries, but India is yet to grow them. We met with one of the agricultural scientists working in IARI, and he gave us some more insight about the advantages of biotechnology.
Basically, we take a desirable plant but deficient for a particular character, and then you cross it with a species or with a plant with which it is crossable but having that resistance gene. Okay, and in the progeny you try to select for that, let's say for insect resistance, you have a donor and your cultivated plant is lacking in it. You cross both of them, and then what you do, you select for the plants which are having insect resistance. You do get insect resistance, but the major problem is, apart from insect resistance, you may get some undesirable traits from the donor line. Now what biotechnology does is, it helps you select only this particular gene, and now this plant becomes resistant. The best example is, for example, BT, cotton. What happens is, cotton plant is affected by certain caterpillars which eat away into its bole, and the lint or the cotton quality decreases, and this is a huge damage. And what did the farmers used to do in India? We used to spray a lot of insecticides, but then farmers did more than what is required, and what happened, these insecticides or the harmful chemicals started moving into the food chain, started causing lot of health problems, particularly in Punjab, in cotton belts of Guntur and everywhere. Now what you did, when you transferred only this particular gene, the plants are naturally resistant. Any insect that ate its leaves died, because this produces a chemical which is only harmful to caterpillars, not for humans.
Therefore, farmers in India should opt for biotechnology.